Kajing temu ke kenhun nyam gaud waj stapana Bharat Yatra ban Pynlong ke Masi kum ke Kmie ban Pynlong ya kajing yat pat ba ha kenong ba Shillong ha ka artarik risau arja arpusau uba met ba lingdo u president ke United Democratic Party UDP ula penram jori kajing temu jeng ke kenhun nyam ya kani lala ban sakhi lingba ki seng bhalang ki nong san partai ni ki politician ki pat ba ke beriu hinyo trap ki persa jori kajing temu ke kenhun Habakran cikilat pathai kubor ubak met ba ulaong baga jing temu ban Pynlong ke Masi kum ke Kmie jangkari kadai ke ban Thaw Jingklumar ha ka Ïmlang Sahlang ulaong ru bakam la ban ai jing mut ya kum kita jing temu ha ka jing sisa ka don kam ban buram mar kaliang ya ka rukam nget kiwei om ban chupen thot nipen wet ya kiwei.
It's not advisable for them to have this kind of things. Unnecessary, I think, it'll create, a kind of disturbances, among people. Let us respect. Let us respect in whatever faith you have, in whatever religion that you have. You practice your own, but don't try to interfere with others. We also here, we have a lot of Hindus, we have a lot of Muslims, we have a lot of different communities, different religions. They practice at their own. We never will stop them. So likewise, it has to be the same also. That is what we look up to other religions, to other communities, that we have to respect each other as far as our religious practices is concerned.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai kan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam badon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya